A virtually invisible hearing aid with lifetime support. Active, retired federal employees may be eligible for EarGo at no cost through your health.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Job for $100. They're excited. I've had customers who were so happy that they did break down into tears.